We're right here. It's October something something. It's about to go down. This is the haunted railroad track, San Antonio Military Street.
13th.
On the 13th, October the 13th. In the railroad track, San Antonio, Boston, Massachusetts. It's about to go down right here. I've never seen this. You gotta put the car on neutral and turn off the engine. Alright, Fabian. There it is, the angels. Got the angels pushing them to help them get out of the road so they won't get hit.
I see.
Alright, that's it, right? Let's go to the room and then settle up.